Afternoon. We topic is estimating a binary outcome national versus international source. I will explain how I use logistic regression model to analyze the factors that influence whether that companies sell more in the domestic market than abroad. The main research question I explore is what product and firms characteristics influence the likelihood that company focus on the national sales instead of international sales. The objective is to identify which variables have a significant impact in the decision using the logistic model. This helps understand the commercial behavior of Ecuadorian firms and calls for better market strategies. The data used is the study come from the Ecuadorian structural business surveys provided by INECO. I created a binary event variable called ventas mayores, y take to value once when a company sells more in the domestic market than foreign markets and zero otherwise, because the dependent variable is binary and uses the logistic regression models to estimate the probability of domestic sole dominance. Thank you.
Explanatory variables and model. In our study, we use a logic model because the dependent variable is binary. It equals 1 if a company's domestic sales exceeds international sales, and zeros otherwise. We estimate the model in stata, including both categorical and continuous variables. Our independent variables are quantity produced, unit of measurement, product category, and economic sector. This helps us to understand which characteristics influence a company's orientation toward the domestic market. In evaluating assumptions, we verify three key conditions. First, we check linearity and found only non-linearity. Second, independence is met, since each observation is a unique company and product. Third, we test multicollinearity using BIF, and all values were below 4, so there's no significant use.
In this study, we apply a logistic regression model to analyze which factor influences whether an Ecuadorian fuel sells more in the domestic market than internationally. The dependent variable is binary and equals 1 when national sales exceed foreign sales. The results show that the quantity produced is a significant factor. The higher the output, the greater the likelihood of focusing on the domestic market. Additionally, categorical variables such as product type and unit for measurement also have significant effects. In contrast, the economic sector which the firm operates was not statistically significant. This suggests that market orientation is less about the sector and more about product characteristics and how they are measured. Therefore, public policies should focus on product level strategies rather than sector-wide approaches. Finally, we recommend expanding the model by including variables related to export capacity and location, and consider alternative models such as probability or multi-level regression to strengthen the analysis. Thank you.